Hey everyone, we've all heard about the power of AI, and it's finally here. Today, we're introducing the AutoGPT AI bot, created by the developers at OpenAI, the same LLM as ChatGPT. Unlike other AI bots, AutoGPT doesn't need to be fed multiple prompts to generate meaningful output. With AutoGPT, you just give your AI bot a set of goals, and it will generate its own set of tasks to complete them. In this video, we'll be looking at how to install AutoGPT on your own computer, and how you can use it to achieve whatever goals you set. To get AutoGPT up and running, you'll need a Windows 10 or 11 PC and an OpenAI API account. You can get a few dollars worth of credit for free, but if you want to use more you will need to pay for additional tokens. Setting up is fairly straightforward. First you need to download and install Git, and also Python. Then you need to clone the repository and use the Python package manager, pip, to install all the packages. Once you've done that, you need to sign into your OpenAI account, create a secret key and copy it into the env.template file. That's the setup taken care of. Now it's time to create your AI agent, or agents, depending on the number of goals you set. To run AutoGPT, open the command prompt, navigate to your desktop folder and then type python script/main.py to get started. Once you've done that, you just need to name your API and set your goals. Here's an example of my API name and goals. API name: create cool ideas for Raspberry Pi projects. Goals: to create 5 new Raspberry Pi project ideas. Once you've done that, you just need to press Y to confirm and the bot will start the research process. Depending on your goals and research, this may take some time. If you want the process to go faster, you can enter Y, number, where, number, is how many tasks you want the AI to complete before asking for permission again. At the end of the process, you will be presented with projects or ideas tailored to your goals. So that's all you need to know about setting up and running AutoGPT. Try it out for yourself and you'll see just how powerful it can be. All that's left is to sit back and let AutoGPT go to work for you. And with OpenAI offering a few dollars of free credit, you've got nothing to lose. Thanks for watching and have fun creating with AutoGPT.